Hello and welcome to TPM's 4-Minute Friday. My name is Dan Warren and I'm an application engineer here at TPM. Today we're going to create a sense of depth in a building elevation by using a few masses that act like visual filters. Starting on a sheet with a plan view and elevation in place, the out-of-the-box Revit tools don't really communicate a sense of depth between our various facades in elevation view. Ultimately, we're going to fade some of our lines in order to create this sense of depth. In the plan view, we'll create some masses that act as filters for our view. First, toggle the Show Mass button under the Site and Massing tab to make mass objects visible in the project. Click the In Place Mass tool to begin creating our first mass. Name the mass anything you like and click OK to start the sketch mode. We're going to create a long, thin mass out in front of the building using the Rectangle Draw tool. Ensure the Create Surface from Closed Loops option is checked before sketching. Once a surface has been created, select it and click on the Solid Form tool under the Create Form drop-down button. Once the mass has been created, switch to the south elevation and confirm the mass is taller than our building. You may need to set the visual style to wireframe to see the building through the mass. Select the top edge of the mass and use the blue arrow to set the mass height just above the roof apex. Select Finish Mass to finish creating our mass. Reset the visual style back to Hidden Line before leaving the south elevation view. Now switch back to the Level 1 plan view. Before placing our masses, let's review our plan. There are 4 unique facade planes in this view. In order to create the depth effect that we want, we'll place masses here, here, and here. Adjust the location of the first mass with the Move tool. Then use the Copy tool to place the last 2 masses. Now, let's switch to our sheet and look at our elevation and plan view. Looking at our sheet, we can see the masses create the desired visual effect but also disrupt the plan view. To fix this, we'll create a view template that will resolve this issue. Start by toggling off the Show Mass under the Site and Massing tab. Under the View tab, click the View Templates drop-down, then click the Manage View Templates button. In the View Templates window, select the default architectural elevation view template, then click Duplicate. Name the duplicated view template to Architectural Elevation with Show Mass. Click the Edit button in the Visual Graphics Overrides model. Scroll down till you see Mass, then expand the Mass group. Check the Mass Visibility box, then uncheck all the Mass subgroups below Form. Now select the Form subgroup row and click the Override button under the Projection/Surface Lines column. In the Line Graphics box, set the line color to white, then click OK twice. Now, for our final adjustment, scroll down and expand the Site group. Uncheck the Site subgroups Project Base Point and Survey Point. Click OK twice to exit the View Template Manager. Right-click on the South Elevation view in the Project Browser, then select Apply Template Properties. In the Apply View Template window, select our custom view template and click OK. As you can see, our desired visual effect is applied to our south elevation view, but the masses do not disrupt our plan view. I hope this video has given you some ideas that you can use to create a sense of depth in your project elevations. I'm Dan Warren with TPM, and I thank you for joining me for TPM's 4-Minute Friday. Have a great day.